Also, shut up. You can go now. I told him I was gonna save one up. Was that for real? Yeah, it was for real. Why was there an echo? I don't know, but here. Was there an echo then? I don't know. I just did it again. There you make a big burp. Bottom burp. Holding that one in just for you.
The whole time.
What? Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Love.
Isn't even here. Farts! Wow, that was a big one. Hang on, listen. Excuse me. I farted. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, lovely. Hi you two.
Guys, can you fire Orisa?
Oh, yes. Thank God.
Like what? Awful. That's a train. That's a.
Also, listen. Hang on. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna have a baby. Excuse me. Doesn't smell. Excuse me.
Yeah,
God, I got a fart. You're welcome. Oh.
good one. Oh my god.
Also, I'm gonna go wee. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, that actually smells. So. Oh, yeah, hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
Fucking disappointment.
Haven't you? Excuse me.
Yeah, I've been really upset.
6. I farted? What I mean? Excuse me. To win and need to fart! There we are. Oh, I feel so much better. Feel the baby, it's coming! Oh.
Also stream though where he is.
No, it was that.
Mommy, so she can
Also-
call me a mom. I can call her a mommy because I'm too young.
What? You're welcome. Farted though. Excuse me. I have a quang. Excuse me. From New Year. I farted. There you are, that's for you. Oh my god, I got some problems
you're
going.
down here for a reason. We're down.
Jessica Jones. Okay. What?
You just need a soundboard of that.
Just burping loads, I'm sorry. I'm
Of
like,
every single tone.
oh, I need to fart.
Rebecca,
Oh wait.
I'm right. See? Look, I'm
There we
hiding
are.
with
We're
Scott.
good now. I need to fart.
Mine.
Excuse me. Just for you, Karma. Excuse me. It's a little gas flower. See?
No.
It's a little gas flower. Like, oh. Excuse me. It sounds like a little dog barking. Here we are. There we are. Oh.
There we go.
If you told her. Excuse me. Apologize. They got it though.
Prepare for battle. Select your
Excuse me. How about that?
Nice.
Yeah. Well, you know. Definitely feel much better now.